Okay, we're going to show you how to hook up the hot tub wizard to your spa pack so you don't have to run an external outlet. This makes it very quick and easy. But it's just, you'll see you'll get one of these pigtails in your package, and it's got, you'll actually see there's two bare ends here. And those go down into the terminals here. Now on this, we refer to the wiring schematic, but on this one here, this is and this is Balboa, but I'm not sure if they're all exactly the same. It's got your red, your black. Red is like in number 2, black is number 3. White or neutral is number 4. So what we want to do is take this pigtail here. It's right here. I already installed it, but I'll show you what we did. Okay, first of all, find out. So you got the small slot and the large slot. In this case, the ribs on there indicate this is the large. The ribs right here indicate this is the large slot, which this is typically the neutral, and the small slot, which in this case is the smooth wire, that's the hot. So, and if you're confused at all, please just have an electrician do this. It's a lot quicker and much cheaper than running an outlet. But anyway, so in this case we got the neutral from our pigtail going into the neutral in the terminal here. Let's make sure that everything's nice and tight, and you want to pull on it, make sure that nothing comes out. And then we got our hot is just right here. It can use either one, but since the black one here is right next to it, we'll just use that. And we have power. Now this is what we're doing. Plug the USB brick. This is how you get your power for your chlorine generator. And then we've got on this, let's get the other wire into the wire here. Okay, so that, put in this junction box, and just look for the red mark, and the red wire goes in the red mark, and this is we tighten this up. And there we go. Okay, that one's tight. I will go this one. Okay, so then just make sure this end is loose here so it doesn't twist the wire, and then close the fitting. And then tighten the other end so it's snug, no water or anything is going to get in here. But there, we have a nice snug connection for our power supply. Now you see how this came out of the hot tub wizard, and it's actually a 5/32 hole, and you might have to just burrow it out a little bit if there's any pieces here that might keep it from going through. But then and the way this is different on the other power supplies, we had this bigger cable, and there was also this fitting. So we actually needed a 3/4 inch hole on that, and Now we just need this little tiny hole that actually, if you take it out, you won't hardly even notice it. But then also, so we got what comes in your hardware kit. You'll have some stainless screws and this this little cable clamp. Now these are not cheap plastic ones. They're actually coated stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about them breaking. It's a really nice thing, because usually the plastic ones will break even if after screwing them in sometimes. So you'll get two of these, but typically this is just all you need is to put one up here, and then you don't have to use more holes. And then here's the cell, and so you can drop that in, plug in the cell right here, and you'll hear it click, and you'll even feel it when it goes into the slot. That makes sure you have a good connection for this quick disconnect. If you're having problems with nothing happening, it typically means that you need to push this in a little bit further. And the nice thing about the quick disconnect, you don't have to open the box to change your cell. You don't have to unhook or take anything apart, really, except for this connection. If you want to clean the cell, you don't have to turn anything off. Just unhook it, put the cell in vinegar, and let it sit for a while, and you're good to go. But you see, this is a pretty clean installation here. Just got this wire going through that we hook up here in the back. Also, another thing, if you need to take your panel off, you can disconnect this if need be. So just trying to make this as easy as possible for people. And again, if you want, there also be you can use a zip tie or anything to kind of attach this up to something above it or whatever. But anyway, you don't want to. You can set this on top, just as long as you don't want it. Chance of it being in moisture, because then that'll trip your breaker, and then your tub shuts off. Anyway, so I think that's about it. This is we've really gone to make this as simple as possible for people to use salt on their hot tubs. Any other questions, you can feel free to reach us, and be happy to answer any further questions you have. Thanks a lot.